Good evening, friends. I hope you all are doing well in your life. The topic for today's discussion is world's second largest manufacturer of PPE set. Now, India has become. Now, in this discussion, we are going to talk about what is PPE set, how it is made, and to whom or which country we are going to supply this PPE set. So, without wasting much of your time, let's start the discussion. First of all, the student must know what is the full form of PPE set, which stands for Personal Protective Equipment. This is the full form of PPE set. Now, if we are at second position, then the question mark arises. Then who is at first position? That is China. If I talk about how many numbers and at which what is the number of PPE set are made in one day, that is 3 lakh per day manufacturing of PPE set are made. Now, in your TV or in your newspaper also, you must have seen the photographs in the videos also how this PPE set looks like. So, I would like to tell you what are the parts of this PPE set. It consists of mask, you have headgear, you have cover of shoe, you have all these equipment which cover your body completely and which will also help you to stay away from this contagious disease which is COVID-19. So these earlier it was found that these kinds of PP set was not manufactured in India. We get it from other countries. Now it is being used by our stalwart doctors, your nurses, and whosoever are there who is curing this PPE set are being used by all of those. So one question must arise in the mind of people that is this all these PP set are made by us, I mean to say by government or by other companies. Now I would like to tell you that this is being made by private companies. This you can say that so now we were talking about which is this private companies are making this PP set or by government. Now according to the Niti Aayog, they said that all these PP set are made by private sector. So you can here see that the quality standards are at very high stage, means the procedure has to go through robust process. It's not like that within a click of a finger your PP set are made. So here I would like to share one quality checkup through which this PP set goes. That is termed as synthetic blood penetration testing equipment. Now this is the technique through which we check the PP set that whether it is means it is up to the mark or not, through which this we check that it can help a doctor or not to fight against this COVID-19. So now our future aims. As I talk about self-reliant process, this is the perfect example of self-reliant where we are already making 3 lakh per day PPE set. Now our future aim is to supply these PPE set to other countries also, like we have this Africa, your USA and other neighboring countries too. So this is our basically future aim. So what is this second wave? Basically this second wave, according to WHO, they said that right now also, means if I talk about India condition, the COVID-19 cases is almost around your, while making this video presentation, it is about your 1,35,000 is the current status of this COVID-19 cases. So it has been found that WHO said that right now also it is not that almost 50% of COVID-19 cases are not still came. You mean to he means to say that one more wave is about to come, which maybe you can see in the month of your in the winter seasons also. So these all these your PP set will definitely help our doctors or you can say that our patients also, so that this COVID-19 pandemic situation can be altered or we can eradicate it from the deep root. So this was all about the world's second largest manufacturer of PP set. So if you have any doubt in this video presentation, you can write down in the comment section. So keep yourself healthy and stay safe. So thank you and have a nice day ahead. Jai Hind.